In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add an NGL link on Instagram. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by going onto your App Store and searching up NGL. Now, as you can see, I already have it downloaded, so I'm going to open it. Now, you're then going to click on Get Started and type in your Instagram handle. For me, it is tutorial_0_O_O. Now, as you can see, I have already started this, and you can do a send an anonymous message and just click on copy link. If you want to make it even easier, you can just click on step 2 and share it right away. Now you're going to click on copy link, and the link has now been copied. You're then going to go back to Instagram and you're going to post a story. You can have any background you would like, but then click on the stickers option. Click on link, and you're just going to copy and paste the link to your story. Now, once this is posted, people will be able to ask you anonymous questions, and that's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.